myself, Amazon, roll number 21 T76, and I am performing digital signal processing lab number 6. In this lab, in first lab, we have to make the function that will perform decimation. So, first of all, we make the function like validate decimation, and we can give the command of signal and the total number of terms in the signal. We separate the even and odd part, then we perform FFT on them, and then we use for loop to display the collective result. So for this to show that the function is in working, so I have taken the signal from 1 to 8 and performs the decimation on it. So after performing, we'll get there the result of combined decimation of by separating even and odd part, and then the said decimation we got is that. Similarly, in the task number 2, we have to use the function that we generated in task 1 to perform decimation on the 8 signals. And when we run this program, though here you can see that we got the decimation results of 8 signals right here. So in the third task, we will take 2 signals and perform decimation on them. So when we run this program, we will get the result of signal of value result of validation and DFT using FFT for signal X, like for signal Y. Now, in the fourth task, we have to make the function of FFT and perform of FFT on any of the signals. So we, like in the previous task, we will separate even and odd, then perform the FFT on them, and then combine their results to display the results. So I have taken the signal from 1 to 8 and then perform FFT on it. So here you can see the results of that lab, and now moving towards last lab. So in this lab we have to take 4 signals and then perform FFT on them, and after that we have to perform FFT MATLAB on them. Like in the first lab, we use the FFT provided function that we created in the first lab, and the second one is the MATLAB FFT function that when we perform FFT of the MATLAB, what result we got. So, we first of all we perform both of them and then compare the both result like custom FFT result and MATLAB FFT result. So when we run this program, here you can see the result of custom FFT and MATLAB FFT results of each signal and comparison between them. So by concluding that this is the last task of lab number 6. So thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.